Hello friends, welcome again to the world of Maths by Amiya. Now this one is again time for your question, my solution. Question is sent by Mr. Debasish Das and the source of question is KAML. The reason behind making a video after a week is I am giving my best to CAT Janta, that is doubt discussion. Anyway, so concentrate on this question as seen at the right. दाहिने side आपका दिया हुआ है. You have 8 by 20 rectangle का एक horizontal rectangle है. इंटरसेक्ट 6 by 28 रेक्टेंगल एक 6 by 28 रेक्टेंगल से इंटरसेक्ट किया है एट 45 डिग्री. इंटरसेक्ट एट 45 डिग्री और रोटेशन ऑफ द 45 डिग्री ऑफ वन रेक्टेंगल बोथ आर नथिंग बट द सेम क्वेश्चन. देन वी नीड टू फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ द कॉमन टू द इंटीरियर ऑफ दीज टू रेक्टेंगल्स. मुझे इस कॉमन एरिया को निकालना है, कितना होगा. सो आई से प्लीज पाउज एंड ट्राई दिस क्वेश्चन. I think you have paused, tried and solved this question. Now let's check the concept and the each and every minute details of this question. We have the figure in which our dimension is nothing but 8, this one is nothing but 20, this one is nothing but 6, and this one is nothing but 28. Intersect at 45 degrees. So this two angles or all the angles are nothing but the 45 degree acute angle. The question might come if we rotate by 45 degree. So this one is given intersect at 45 degrees. So we know each angles, acute angles at the intersection points are nothing but 45 degree. What happens if instead of acute angle 45 degree intersect if we have the rotation? Everything thus remains the same, but you need to understand what do we mean by the rotation. For the rotation, we need nothing but the horizontal and vertical base lines, and we are going to rotate the figure. So 6 by 28 is rotated by 45 degree. So here the angle is 45 degree. By virtue of the parallel lines, we can get all the angles are 45 degree. Let's check. But in this question, there is no need to make this base line axis line. We know all angles are 45, but for the concept, I am creating a rotation of 45 degree. If the rotation of 45 degree or intersect at 45 degree, both are more or less same thing. Okay. So we have all the dimensions. Assume this question is of the rotation of 45 degree. So this angle is nothing but 45 degree. We have the baseline making angle of 45 degree. Now we can say we have to find the area of ABCD. So that one is the ABCD, and the ABCD is nothing but a parallelogram because DC line is parallel to AB and AD line is parallel to BC. Now work on the angle. We know if this one is 45 degree, this one should be 45 degree because this line is also parallel to this line. So we can say if this angle is 45 degree or this angle is also the 45 degree opposite interior angle. Now it's time to solve the question. So we know this one is a parallelogram. So we need to find the height. Height is nothing but this dimension, which one is nothing but 8. So the height of this parallelogram ABCD is 8. Now we need to find the what is the base. For the base, we need to move this 6 to here. And we know we are just moving the 6. So if this one is 90 degree, here it would be 90 degree. If this one is 45 degree, this should be 45 degree. So we can say this one is nothing but an isosceles right angle triangle. This side is 6. So we can say this side should also be 6. Now what would be the value of DC? If this one is 6, this one is 6. By the Pythagoras triplet, we can say this one is 6 root 2. So this one is nothing but the common understanding of the figure and the Pythagoras triplet and some movement. So we have the height of 8, base is the 6 root 2. So the required answer is nothing but 8 into 6 root 2 is 48 root 2. And this one is quite easy. So whenever you have a 45 degree question, few data are redundant. Just like 20 is redundant. This 20 value is redundant. Even 28 of no use. So remove the 28. I am going to remove other construction too. So we have nothing but the important data 8, important data 6, and we have angle 90 degree. So if you have the 8 and 6 and this angle is 45 degree given. So we can say if this one is 90, this one is 45, this one is 45, this one is 6 root 2. So the answer of this question is nothing but 8 into 6 root 2 is nothing but 48 root 2. So the area of parallelogram is the base into height is nothing but 8 into 6 root is nothing but 48 root 2. So this one is the answer. So upon the acute angle जो वो बना रहा है अपने दूसरे rectangle के साथ. So the area of parallelogram is quite easy. Which one is nothing but A into B by sine theta. So this one is the answer of this question. Now you have your homework. And the homework is as seen at the right. You have 10 by 30 rectangle, 8 by 40 rectangle. What is the area of the common to the interior of the two angles? This one is the question number 1. And question number 2, all data remains the same, only the angle is 30 degree. So find the answer. So please post answer of question number 1 and answer of question number 2 in the comment. And still, if you have any doubt, I would say please rewind the video, watch it again, and in case of any other doubts, please ping me on any social network site. Okay, all the best, God bless you, happy learning and happy church to all of you. Bye bye, God bless you.
Hi guys, do subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss out any update.